Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price today as we literally just got our first hourly candle confirmation above the monthly open less than 20 minutes ago with bullish candle symmetry. And that means that Bitcoin is ready to test 45,000 US dollars and there are no roadblocks left. And this would be the fifth test of this extremely important resistance that, for those that have been tuned into the Snipers channel, know if we break out from 45,000, I expect the target to be 58,353 to get Bitcoin above all of its daily moving averages. Because is that really too much to ask for when Tesla today, notice it made a move back above 1,000 US dollars, above all its daily moving averages? If Tesla can do that, why can't Bitcoin do that? And it all comes down to the $45,000 level. We don't want to see Bitcoin stall out here as we're already seeing it push above the monthly open. What I'd like to preferably see is more institutional volume come in at 44,800, because I'll tell you exactly why that's important right now more than anything. We've seen institutional volume come in at 41,950 back in February, and then we saw more institutional volume come in late February, but that was below 38,000 US dollars. And we've yet to see institutions step in at 45,000. And so they've definitely stepped in below 38,000. They've stepped in at 41,950, but they haven't stepped in at 45,000. So if they step in now at 45,000, then that right there could put Bitcoin in a position to not come back down to this consolidation area and to really move into a higher price range, I believe towards 60,000 US dollars, because the next roadblock is 49,700, and I don't think that that should act as a major area of resistance, just like it didn't act as a major area of resistance back in September of 2021 when we moved straight from 40,000 all the way up to 65,000. We didn't see much price action in between. This is what I'd like to see more than anything. And so I know this is going to be a quick update, but we're seeing this hourly candle confirmation right now, which means we're most likely going to be getting this test here of this extremely important resistance now. And when we see that test, I would like to see more institutions step in at 45,000, and that would be that confirmation. If we stall out at 49,700, by the way, I don't want to see this either, because at that point, then we can start really moving sideways, and then there's more potential of even lower price action. But I don't think that that's going to be on the table. We'll see. I would say that if we start to see volatility regardless of the price direction, what I'm also monitoring is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. What I'd like to see for the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is a move above all of its daily moving averages and some strength, because it's not much to ask for. It's formed higher lows. It could still be in a bullish trend, and I would like for it to prove itself getting back above this market structural resistance that it's right there testing right now, and there's confluence there now with the 100 and 200-day moving average. This would be a confirmation of market sentiment still being in the bullish favor for the total market. But if we reject in any way, then that would change the storyline a little bit. And then everything else in the traditional markets are moving sideways to the DXY, the S&P 500, and so forth, international markets. So we'll potentially get a video out tomorrow covering the traditional markets, but we'll definitely be covering Bitcoin. If we break above 45,000, I'll get a video out. If we break below 41,950, I'll certainly get a video out. I don't think that that's as likely right now with the type of momentum we're seeing in the outside revolving parts. The environment looks ripe for Bitcoin to make this move. So let's see what happens, snipers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I know this was a quick update, but we just got this hourly candle confirmation, so I had to get this video out to you guys. And I'll see you next time, snipers.